What's going on, everybody? In this video, I want to talk about a huge potential to make a lot of money in the NFT space. Now, yesterday, there was a highly anticipated release of an NFT marketplace, and I'm going to let you know what marketplace that was. There was a collection that was released with that marketplace that ended up getting over $4.5 million in the first 24 hours of transaction volume. Now that's crazy because it's one collection with like 30 total pieces of art. So we're gonna talk about that launch. We're going to talk about an upcoming launch that's going to be very similar on the same marketplace, which is even more highly anticipated. There's a large amount of demand for this individual NFT collection that's coming out on October 7th. It could be an opportunity to get in for about $300 and turn that $300 into potentially tens of thousands of dollars. At least that's the trend that we've seen over the last 24 hours with this collection that was released yesterday. So before I get into what NFT marketplace I'm talking about, what collection it was that was released yesterday, which is going crazy, which collection is coming up soon, make sure to scroll down just a tad, hit that red subscribe button, like button, bell notification. Comment down below whether or not you like this type of video. All right, let me get into it. Let's talk about the marketplace. So yesterday, PancakeSwap released their NFT market. This was highly anticipated, and if you're not familiar with what PancakeSwap is, well, they're a decentralized exchange predominantly, but there are other features, like for instance, this NFT marketplace. When we hop on the computer here, you can see their Twitter account has over 1 million followers. So they have a large following. A lot of people use PancakeSwap. If you're into any BSC tokens, then you've probably used PancakeSwap to acquire those BSC tokens. Now, let me show you just what the exchange looks like. They have their decentralized exchange, which you can basically exchange BNB for any type of BSC token. If the token you're looking for is not listed in the preloaded tokens here on their exchange, you just hit select currency, you type in the BSC token address, and there you have it. You can transfer BNB to that particular token and acquire whatever BSC tokens you are looking to acquire. That is the predominant use of PancakeSwap, but they also have some incredible ways to earn a lot of money. They have staking for ridiculous returns. If we look at their auto staking cake, which is the PancakeSwap native token, we can see that you can get APYs of up to 74.16%. That's just a ridiculous APY, a ridiculous yearly return that you could be getting if you do their auto staking. I'll make videos about all of this later because I'm very interested in that and making passive income, and I think all of you are as well. So I'll definitely make videos about that, but let's just stick to the NFTs for now. So yesterday they released their NFT marketplace, and with their NFT marketplace, they released Pancake bunnies. Now there are over 430,000 items, and I said they only have a couple pieces of art. I said about 30. Not sure what the exact number is, but you can see them all listed here. I'll just scroll down so you can see them. Those are all the pieces of art that they released with this Pancake Bunnies collection. There's just multiple editions of the various pieces of art. But if we look at the volume, you can see 11,234.75 BNB has been traded in volume over the last 24-hour period here with Pancake Bunnies, which is just incredible. That's over $4.5 million USD. Okay, so we look at some of these pieces of art. This one's going for about $59. This one is going for about $400, and it just goes on and on and on as we continue to go down into some of the rarer pieces, which are going for up to $54,000. And we'll get into why some of these are so expensive and what that might mean for their October 7th drop coming soon. Speaking of that drop, you can see it on the homepage of their NFT marketplace. You can see PancakeSquad coming soon. Now, this is highly anticipated. And let me show you some of the pieces of art that are coming with this collection. Here we have some sort of construction bunny. Here we have like a Game Boy type of bunny. They're all sort of with that bunny theme. Here we have one slurping some sort of drink with some sunglasses. Here we have a burger bunny. Here we have what looks like a balloon bunny. Here we have some sort of like space bunny. And the list goes on and on and on. I'm sure there's a lot that have not been revealed that are coming, but this is highly anticipated. And they did tweet a couple days ago that due to high demand, there's some changes to the release of this October 7th PancakeSquad drop. Previously, there was a max of 20 per wallet. Now they've lowered that to 10 per wallet in the public sale. Now that doesn't mean after public sale that you can't buy as many as you want. It just means that in the public sale, you can only get 10 per wallet. Oh, and there's a limit per transaction. More details coming soon. So they're limiting certain things because there's such high demand for these. But to really judge how much demand there is for this PancakeSquad collection that's dropping soon, let me show you this graphic in more detail. So in order to get into the pre-sale, the only way I think there is left to get into the pre-sale is to have one of the following from the Pancake Bunnies collection in your wallet at time of launch, at time of pre-sale for the PancakeSquad collection that's coming out soon. So we have Sparkle, we have Circular, we have Blueberries, we have Swapsies, we have Drizzle. When we head over to the collection to see, how much is it gonna be to buy one of these, scroll down just a little bit and you can see we have Swapsy here, which is $40,000 USD. We have Circular, we have Blueberries, which are both over $50,000 USD. We have Drizzle here, which is just above $41,000 USD, and we have Sparkle, which is just a little bit below $40,000 USD. So just to show you how much demand there is for these NFTs, which if you have in your wallet, you'll have access to the pre-sale for the next collection, we can use that as an indicator that this PancakeSquad collection is going to be worth a lot of money. The pre-sale and public sale on October 7th is going to be around $300 in cake. So just picture that. You put $300 in, and just based off of the prices from this collection here, when we look at the ones that people are going to have to buy in order to potentially get access to the pre-sale of the PancakeSquad collection, we see these prices are around $40,000 to $50,000. So just imagine putting $300 in for a collection that people are willing to shell out $40,000 to $50,000 to have access to. Now the price of the PancakeSquad NFTs could go up 100, 200, 500, 1000x at those prices right there. So that's incredible to see. It's incredible to think about. So I just wanted to bring it to everybody's attention that PancakeSquad is coming out on October 7th. And if you can get your hands on a PancakeSquad NFT, it is my personal opinion, not financial advice, but my personal opinion that these things are going to be worth a lot of money. I'll just run you through the collection again here. You can see some of the options. That's just a small sample of what's to come, but the art is very cool. And with 1 million followers for PancakeSwap, you can just imagine how many people are looking at these NFTs and how many people want these NFTs at launch, which is October 7th, coming up very soon. So I wanted to bring that to everybody's attention just to keep you up to date on what's going on in the NFT world. I appreciate you all for sticking around. Because you stuck around, I want to let you know that if you're looking to make some money, which if you're watching this video, I'm sure you are, go down to the link in my description for BlockFi. You can earn up to 8.25% APY with a BlockFi interest account. And you can get up to $250 in Bitcoin for free if you open up an account and put over $100 into that BlockFi interest account. So check that link out in the description below for BlockFi. If you have not already, make sure to hit that red subscribe button, like button, bell notification, all of that. Go out there, have a great day, and I promise I'll be talking to you soon.